Hey guys, so this is the boxes now. It's ready for shipping. Yung isa guys is super puno siya. Kasi this is the last box, so I had to put everything in here. Pero yan guys, inyo guys. So, ready for shipment na. Lagyan ko na lang ng pangalan. And then, okay na siya guys. So, ayan. See you Philippines in the next 3 months. Hopefully, it arrive there soon. Pero 3 months talaga yung usually dumarating sa Pilipinas from us here to the Philippines. 3 months talaga. So, ito guys is tamang-tama lang siya. Tapos, ito naman is medyo ano. Tapos, ito talaga siya guys sa sobrahan. Kasi, may muntik na ako makalimutan. So, nilagay ko na lang dyan. Diba guys? Yan lang naman.